Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn to fix the problem of Instagram Reels not showing. For this, you need to have an Instagram app updated. So, I'm going to go to Play Store or App Store, you can also do the same. And then tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Enter here Instagram and search for the app. You'll either get an option of open or update on the right corner. So you can see that I have already updated it, so I do have an open option. If you haven't updated it yet, tap on update option to make it updated. The second one is to go to your settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps option, search for one of the app that's named as Instagram, just like this. And on the bottom you can see an option of first stop, uninstall and clear data. Tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache. Tap on OK. So you have successfully cleared all of the cache of this related Instagram. The next thing that you can do is force stop. Tap on force stop. You can see that if you force stop an app, it may misbehave. But force stop help your app to get fresh and start in a very fresh way. So tap on OK. This will definitely help you clear all of the unrequired data and junks from your Instagram. The next thing that you can do is tap on uninstall and then tap on OK option. Uninstalling will remove all of the app data, so make sure to uninstall it. And the very next thing that you can do is restart your phone. Restarting your phone will help you start this app in a very fresh way. And the next thing that you can do is tap on Instagram, open up the app just like this. Now tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, tap on the three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner, tap on settings, scroll down and tap on help option, tap on report a problem, tap on report a problem once again. So you can see that they're preparing a bug report for us. Here we can explain about what happened or what's not working. So I'm going to send that Instagram Reels not showing and then tap on submit option. Tap on not now. So that's it. You can just report a problem and then tell them that Instagram Reel is not showing. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.